What's going on, guys? My name is Muhammad Taufik Firdaus, and I'm gonna start our group presentation, which is overview of managers and management. Let's go. Managers a definition. The managers are those who hold power in a company compared to employees or performers. There is a pyramid that called as managerial level, which separates different types of a manager, which is top manager, middle manager, and low level, or we call as first line manager. Okay, real quick, for example, top level manager, we have president, vice president, managing director. For middle level manager, we have executive director, general manager, department head, and for first line, low level manager, we have coach, assistant coach, and events manager. Management is the process to obtain the material resources, human, financial, and informational resources to achieve organization a purpose by the organizational system directed in the context of environmental dynamic to achieve the efficient and substantial operation. Sport management is the power of individuals or a team of people to achieve common goal and ensuring mobility issues find its objectives. Next is management process, which includes planning, organizing, leading, and controlling.
Hello, my name is Faradila Binti Tahir. Today I will presentation about management role. Managerial role involves specific types of behavior, conduct and action that a manager must demonstrate to be successful. Means Bird divide managerial work into three categories: interpersonal category, informational category, and decisional category. Interpersonal category involves the provision of information and ideas. Means Bird identifies three types of interpersonal category: a figurehead role, leader role, and liaison role. Figurehead role as an inspire and role model to another. Leader act to influence, motivate, and direct another or employees. Liaison role build a network of relationships such as supply, buyer, and strategic partner. The category of information related to the collection, processing, and dissemination. In category of information, divide three roles: a monitor, disseminator, and spokesperson. Monitor role rely on formal and informal channel. Disseminator role, manager responsible inform about company instruction and specific technical problems. Spokesperson, manager will be responsible for conveying specific information to individual and group. Decisional category means Bird realize the four roles: entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. Entrepreneur role, manager will ensure their organization innovate, make necessary change, develop idea and new technology. Disturbance handler role, manager will handle disruption, operators a problem or disruption faced by organization. Resource allocator role, manager is responsible in product development, for example having to provide employees money and equipment to the organization. Negotiator role, manager will meet organization externally or internally to discuss discrepancy on a matter.